Okay, hello everybody. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this simple card holder, which is has got a front slot and a step slot. Here, you can make this at home. It is Craft-it-Yourself Kit. In this package, what you will get are leathers and tools and thread that can allow you to make this card holder. What you get is three pieces of leather, two colors of thread, and a needle. It's a simple craft yourself at home kit. So this is what you'll get from the kit: three pieces of leather, needle, and the thread. The one without taping is the back. What you do is this way. Okay, and then first we do the main body. This tape is pre-taped for you. Align them. Nicely. Okay, and the second part. Same thing. It's quite important that the holes must be aligned. Okay, so in the end, this is what you will get. And for thread, for stitching up, we already pre-prepared the thread for you. It should be enough. So if you find that the thread tip is frayed, all you need to do is to cut it off and thread it. Okay. Normally, you just leave it open this way, and then your hand hold it tight. So now let's start the stitching. When you start the stitching, start from the second hole, from the back of the second hole. Here. You will take some string to put in. Okay, second hole, start from the back, and then it's almost the same length. This thread will go through one round, and the second part will go through another round. So this is how we do it. After the second hole, you go back to the first hole. And then one more loop on the second hole. The idea of this is to lock the first threading. So now you can you can start continuing the whole threading process. Go through by second hole and follow on the holes. Only the first two holes is back to back. The rest are all skip one hole and one hole. this is the last part, the last needle. So this is the first threading. After the first threading, what you will see is this way. Okay, and then for the last part, ending off, after you go through this last hole, go back again to the last second hole, and then go in again to the last hole. Now you have a double loop on the last hole. What I will do is, you can use any type of scissors, cut away, and a lighter, because this is a poly cotton thread, so it will melt. Press down. Now it's locked for the first threading. Now we will go to the second threading, go back to the same process the second time. The same thing, open-ended hole, should be enough. So now we continue to cover up all the in-between holes. See, now you're covering up the in-between. Now you're covering up all the in-betweens. This is the last hole that we are doing. The process is the same as the first round. After you cover up the in-between, go one more loop. And then cut off, short enough for you to burn. Heat it up and then it will melt. And all you need to do is to press down. So it's now locked. And this card holder is done. It's very useful and very simple. Okay, thank you for watching.